In this video, I will show you how to add logo to Wix website. In order to do that, as you can see right here, I have some empty things. So in order to add a logo, click on this plus icon right here. And then from in there, just click on image. Click on this upload image right here. And then after you've done that, you can also choose in here a logo, but you can also just choose in here a logo that you have created. So for example, for this one, I'll just head over and then use this. Click on open, and then it will upload that particular logo to my site. And then once it's been uploaded, you can head over and click on it and click on this add to page. Now this will load in order to add that image. You can head over and then resize it to your liking. So I'll head over and then resize it to be able to be as big as a logo. So I'll also move in here some elements, and then I'll head over and then resize it and add it around there. I will also crop this into a circle shape and apply this. And then once it's been resized and cropped, I'll head over and add this to my header, and it will serve as the logo for my website.